Hi everyone, welcome back to English Chat Corner TV. Have you ever had a problem at home and didn't know how to explain it in English? Today, Jonah has an emergency repair problem. His kitchen sink is leaking and he needs to ask his landlord for help. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations. Your support really helps us create more helpful lessons for you.
Oh no! What is this sound? The floor is wet. The sink is leaking. I need to call my landlord, but I don't know what to say in English.
Learn what to say in emergencies.
That's strange. Why is the floor wet here? I didn't spill anything. I'm sure of that. Wait, the water is coming from under the sink. Oh no, this is not good. The sink is leaking. The water is slowly spreading across the floor. If I don't do something quickly, this could get worse. Let me take a closer look. Maybe I can find the problem. Oh, wow! There is water everywhere inside. The cabinet is already wet. I see a pipe here, and water is dripping from it. Drip, drip, drip. It's steady and not stopping. The pipe looks loose, or maybe cracked. I think this is the problem. Okay, stay calm, Jonah. Don't panic. It's just water. But still, this is serious. What should I do first? I don't want to make it worse. Let me put this towel under the pipe. Maybe it will absorb the water. Okay, it's helping a little, but not enough. The towel is already getting soaked. The water is still dripping. I need a better solution. I need to call Mr. Lee. But how do I explain this clearly in English? Okay, simple words. I can do this. The sink is leaking. Water is coming out. Yes, that sounds clear.
Hello, this is Mr. Lee.
Hello, Mr. Lee. This is Jonah from apartment 3B.
Hi, Jonah. Is everything okay?
I'm sorry to bother you, but I have a problem in my kitchen.
No problem. What's going on?
The sink is leaking. Water is coming out from under the sink. The floor is getting wet, and I'm worried.
I understand. Is the water dripping slowly or flowing fast?
At first, it was slow, but now it's dripping faster. There is water inside the cabinet and on the floor.
Okay, listen carefully. We need to stop the water first.
Okay, I'm listening.
Look under the sink. Do you see a valve?
I see something like a small handle.
Yes, that's it. Turn it to the right.
I'm turning it now, slowly. It's a bit tight, but I can move it. Okay, I turned it. The dripping is slowing down, and now it stopped. The water stopped.
Great job, Jonah. That was the right thing to do.
Thank you. I feel much better now. But the pipe still looks damaged. Can you please send someone to fix it?
Of course, I will call a plumber right away.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
The plumber should arrive this afternoon.
Around what time?
Between 2 and 4 p.m.
Okay, I will stay home and wait. Let me clean the water before it spreads more. I don't want to damage the floor or cabinet. This is stressful. But at least the water stopped.
Hello, I'm the plumber.
Hello. Thank you for coming. Please come in.
Can you show me the problem?
Yes, it's right here in the kitchen. The sink was leaking earlier. Water was coming from this pipe under the sink.
Did you turn off the water supply?
Yes, I turned the valve.
Good. That helped prevent more damage. I see the problem. The pipe is cracked.
Oh, that's why it was leaking.
Yes, this pipe is old and worn out.
I understand.
I will remove the damaged pipe first. Then I will install a new pipe.
Okay, thank you for explaining.
It will take about 20 minutes.
Is this a common problem?
Yes, very common in older buildings.
That's good to know.
The new pipe will be stronger. Okay, let's test the sink now. Please check under the sink.
It looks dry. No leaks.
Perfect. Everything is fixed.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
I was nervous because of my English.
But you explained everything clearly.
Hello, Mr. Lee. The plumber fixed the sink.
Great. Thank you for the update.
Today, I learned that simple English is enough. Don't panic. Speak slowly and clearly. You can handle real-life emergencies in English.
Wait, the water is coming from under the sink. Oh, wow, there is water everywhere. Water is dripping from the pipe. I need to call the landlord. I have a problem in my kitchen. Water is coming from under the sink. There is water on the floor. Let me clean the floor. The problem is in the kitchen. The sink was leaking. I am removing the old pipe. I really appreciate it. Leak, noun, verb. Meaning, a small hole or crack that lets water come out. As a verb, it means water is coming out from a hole or crack. Example, noun, there is a leak under the sink. Verb, the sink is leaking. Drip, noun, verb. Meaning, a small drop of water that falls slowly. As a verb, it means water falls in small drops. Example, noun, I hear a drip from the pipe. Verb, water is dripping from the pipe. Pipe, noun, a tube that carries water inside a building. A tube that carries water inside a building. Example, the pipe under the sink is old. Sink, noun, a bowl in the kitchen or bathroom used for washing dishes or hands. Example, the kitchen sink is leaking. Cabinet, noun, a storage space with doors, often under the sink. Example, There is water inside the cabinet. Valve, noun, a tool that controls the flow of water. You can open or close it. Example, turn the valve to stop the water. Plumber, noun, a person who fixes pipes, sinks, and water problems. Example, the plumber is coming today. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations. Your support really helps us create more helpful lessons for you.